Listen and practice English.
Excuse me, do you know where the train station is?
Yes, it is only 5 minutes from here.
Oh, good. I was worried I was lost.
Are you new in the city?
Yes, I arrived this morning.
Welcome. This area can be confusing at first.
I need to catch a train soon.
Then you should walk straight and turn left at the traffic light.
Is the station very crowded now?
Usually it is busy in the evening.
Thank you for helping me.
No problem. I know how difficult traveling can be.
I almost asked the wrong person earlier.
Well, I'm glad you asked me instead.
You are very kind.
Thank you. I hope you catch your train on time.
I will hurry now. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and have a safe trip. Good afternoon. I need to send this package today.
Good afternoon. Sure, where are you sending it?
I am sending it to my cousin in another city.
Okay. Do you want regular shipping or express shipping?
Which one is faster?
Express shipping will arrive in 1 day, but it costs more.
I think regular shipping is fine.
No problem. Please place the package on the counter.
Here you go.
Thank you. Did you write the address clearly?
Yes, I checked it twice before coming here.
Great. Everything looks correct.
Do I need to buy stamps for the package?
No, the shipping price already includes the stamps.
That is good. How much is the total?
The total cost is $5.
Okay, I will pay with my card.
Please tap your card here.
Done.
Payment successful. Here is your receipt.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Your package should arrive in 3 days.
Perfect. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Hello, I came to see the new house today.
Welcome. I am happy to show it to you.
The outside looks very beautiful already.
Thank you. This house was built last year.
Is the neighborhood quiet at night?
Yes, it is a very peaceful area for families.
That is exactly what I'm looking for.
Please come inside and look around.
Wow, the living room is bigger than I expected.
It also gets a lot of natural sunlight.
I really like these large windows.
Many buyers love that part of the house.
How many bedrooms are there?
There are 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms.
That sounds perfect for me and my family.
The kitchen was recently updated too.
I can already imagine cooking here every day.
Would you like to see the backyard also?
Yes, of course.
There is enough space for a small garden.
Oh, I always wanted a garden at home.
Then this house may be perfect for you.
I think I'm starting to fall in love with it.
Take your time and think carefully before deciding.
Good afternoon. I would like to borrow a book today.
Good afternoon. Sure. Do you already have a library card?
Yes, I made one last month.
Great. What kind of book are you looking for?
I need a science book for my school project.
We have many science books on the second floor.
Can you recommend an easy one for beginners?
Of course. This book about planets is very popular with students.
That looks interesting. Can I borrow it for 2 weeks?
Yes, students can keep books for 14 days.
Perfect. Do I need to sign anything?
Just give me your library card, please.
Here it is.
Thank you. Let me scan the book first.
Okay.
Done. The return date is written on this slip.
What happens if I return it late?
There is a small fine for each extra day.
I understand. I will return it on time.
Good. Would you also like a quiet place to study?
Yes, please. I need to finish my homework too.
The reading area near the windows is very quiet.
Thank you for your help today.
You are welcome. Enjoy your book.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.